Hi guys, it's me again, Iyah. So, based naman from the title of this video, I'll be recreating healthy TikTok recipes. So recently in my For You page, I've been seeing a lot of healthy recipes on TikTok kasi this is really what interests me the most. So right now, I noticed na these TikTok recipes have similar ingredients. So I currently have them on hand naman. So normally, mga ingredients na to are bananas, oatmeal, sugar, cinnamon, and milk. So, these are what I have on hand. So, I thought na gawa na ako ng video trying out this healthy TikTok recipes. So, disclaimer lang, I'm not sure if kita to sa video. But, my left eye is red kasi na-scratch ko siya before filming this intro. But yun, since I wanted to film this na and edit it na, I hope you don't mind the red eye. So yun, I'll be sharing with you 3 recipes and I hope you like it. Okay guys, so as you've seen naman in the sample video, we'll be needing a few ingredients lang. So I just have a banana, cinnamon powder, cocoa powder is something extra lang, peanut butter, and oatmeal. So similar to the video shown, finalo ko lang lahat ng directions. I just mash up the bananas and mix everything together. So, when I feel na parang cookie na siya, I just rounded it up into balls or parang cookie na shape, and then I bake it for around 20 minutes. I divided my batter into half. So, yung remaining batter, naglagay ako ng cocoa powder para lang mag-earn ako ng chocolate version of this recipe. And then, I just top it with chia seeds. Nakalimutan ko siya i-add sa actual batter. So, nilagay ko na lang siya on top. Sorry for the others. Parang napadama yung chia seeds. Okay, so after 20 minutes, ganun ang itsura niya. Hindi masyado nagbago yung color, but you'll know na yung texture mas naging solid na siya. So, I recommend that you let it cool muna before eating, and then you can store it in the fridge.
If I told you this banana bread was healthy? Mash 3 overripe bananas, the browner the better. Half a cup almond milk, 4 spoons coconut oil, 2 spoons of rice malt syrup or honey mix, mix of vanilla, mix it in together. Add 2 cups of oatmeal flour, 2 spoons of chia seeds, 2 bits of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons baking powder, lastly some walnuts, mix together. Pour into a tin and garnish with another banana. Into the oven for 50 minutes. Smells so
Okay, so the second recipe, we'll be making banana bread out of oatmeal. So we'll need baking powder, bananas, milk, oatmeal, sugar, cinnamon, chia is optional. So I just follow yung instructions from the TikTok video as is. So I just mix the wet ingredients together. So yun yung banana, yung milk. I also forgot to mention that we'll need 1 egg and coconut oil for this recipe. So we'll need to set aside the wet batter first, and we'll make na the flour out of oatmeal. So for me, I just blend it together with my NutriBullet, and magkakaroon siya ng parang flour-like texture. This will serve as our flour. And of course, we'll add na the baking powder. And of course, yung favorite ko, lots and lots of cinnamon. So after that, I also add coconut sugar. This one is optional also kasi bananas are sweet naman na. So feel free to omit this if ever you're keeping track of your sugar intake. And of course, those chia seeds. Okay, so I mix everything lang, and then when I feel na parang na siyang cake batter, I prepare na my pan. I think this is an 8 by 8 inch pan, and then I pour lang my batter and then bake it for around 30 minutes. Okay guys, so ito yung fail na part. Mukha siyang butterscotch or brownie.
Banana baked oatmeal. Start by mashing a banana. Add 1/4 cup of peanut butter, a tablespoon of flaxseed, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, and 1.5 cups of almond milk. Give that all a good stir. The dry ingredients, oats, cinnamon, baking powder, and salt. Give that all a good stir. Add the wet ingredients on top of the dry ingredients. And mix it all together. 375, 35 minutes. When it comes out of the oven, go ahead and drizzle some peanut butter on top and you can serve it. And here is the final product.
For our last recipe, which is the banana baked oatmeal, we'll be using the same ingredients. So banana, sugar, milk, peanut butter, chia seeds is optional of course, salt to taste, cinnamon powder of course my favorite, and baking powder, and of course the oatmeal. So this one also is pretty easy. So I just mash up the bananas and mix all the ingredients together. So I'm just adding peanut butter, sugar, of course sugar is optional, and the rest of the ingredients I mentioned kanina. Lastly, we'll add na the milk. So, magkakaroon siya ng parang soupy texture. Now, we'll use together with our dry oatmeal. So, I just mix everything together, yung wet batter and even the dry oatmeal. So, I just make it even and then bake it for around 20 to 30 minutes. And then, you'll have something like this. I recommend that you let it cool. Huwag nyo akong gayahin na hindi makapag-wait. Kasi if you let it cool, mas nagsiset siya properly. So, those are the recipes, guys. As you've seen naman from the whole video, pare-pares lang halos yung ingredients. So, you can really do it at home lang using a few ingredients that you have on hand. And if I were to choose one lang, that's my favorite, I would say my favorite one was the first recipe, which is yung oatmeal banana cookies na super konti lang yung ingredients. And all those three pretty much taste the same. So, parang for me, I'd rather do the easiest one kasi pare-pares lang naman sila halos ng lasa. Is actually just a matter of the process lang. Different lang yung process of making them. But what I would recommend is the first recipe. But I hope you still check out the other ones if you're interested. Like the banana cake that looked like banana brownies no, when I made it. And the oatmeal, baked oatmeal. So, those are the 3 recipes that I tried and I really enjoyed all of them. So, if you are a fan of healthy meals then like me, I hope you try it out and check out the videos that I pulled up from TikTok for you to try. So, that's it guys. I'll see you again in my next video and I hope you like this one. Bye!